Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. It looks like I got a freight train here at Saint Henri. Yeah, a double stack train here at Saint Henri on the 11th of November 2022 at about 10:30 p.m. Sorry, 10:30 a.m. Still a little bit of foliage left on those trees. Now that we're in standard time, I might be able to go earlier in the day and get some trains, at least for a little while. A lot of Maritime Ontario. Look at that, all of them. Maritime Ontario. Yeah, somebody put a convenient crack in the fence here for me to film through. Although I suspect he'd probably use it to access this tract of land and do whatever. I don't think I've ever gotten a double stack train at this location. I've gotten plenty of them at this crossing, but I don't think I've gotten one here. This is just a little bit, I guess, west of the crossing, so I don't hear the bells or anything. I can remember the time when these things would have been all trailers. Trailers on flat cars. Now, I don't think you ever really see that anymore, not in Canada. But I believe in the States you can still see trailers on flat cars. So this train, I guess, would have come through Taschereau Yard, and it's leaving Taschereau, left Taschereau, went through Taschereau Holding and through here, and we'll head probably to maybe Halifax or maybe the States. I guess this would be heading to the west, heading to the east, given that a lot of the containers say Maritime Ontario. Yeah, it's not often I get like a mid-morning train, that's for sure. Time doesn't normally allow that. But I just got lucky today. It's Friday afternoon, sorry, Friday morning. And will likely rain later on, so I'm not going to stick around. Yeah, there's a park behind there actually. At some point I may go there one time. See if you can film things there. I know there's a dog park also right there where those trees are. I think there's a school over there. I'm not really sure what those buildings are. Yeah, I've gotten some great trains on the other side too, actually. There's a little parallel road. I was informed by the police I'm not allowed actually in there, but before that I had gotten a train or two in there. Yeah, so I'm not gonna trespass on that property because it is CN property, but hey, they gave me a warning. Back 3 years ago, actually. Yeah, so whenever you're filming these trains, make sure that you're on the good side of the fence. Can't be on railroad property. This is one really long train. That's the end there. So I'm sure if there's a lying line of cars, they'll be happy. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. Just barely get things through that thicket of trees.